In this video, we will learn how to take random samples from a normal distribution. Let's start ipython. We are actually going to use numpy for this, so import numpy as np. To do this, we type np.random.normal and we plug in the mean and the standard deviation. So with mean 0 and standard deviation 1, we get a few different samples here. Now let's try a different mean and standard deviation. We'll plug in a mean of 5 and a standard deviation of 1. And if we do this a few times, you see we're getting numbers fairly close to 5. But what if you want to take multiple samples at once? Well, guess what? It can do that too. If you type np.random.normal with 0, 5, and then the last input will be the amount of times you want it to do that, and it will return it in an array. So here we have an array. See the ... right here because it took this 10,000 times. So that's 10,000 random draws from the normal distribution. So there you have it. That is how you can randomly draw from the normal distribution in Python.